Hey my peeps, how are you doing today? Everybody knows I buy a lot of junk, and I'm always buying stuff. And I don't call it junk, but it's actually really good stuff, but it's just, you know, gadgets and stuff. Today's no different, man. Look what I got today. This is awesome. This just came in the mail today. Nice box. On the back of the box, it also has a lot of information about what's in the box. So let's see if all this stuff is in here. This is the first time I've opened this box. So let's check it out. Awesome, look, there it is. Dun, da, da, dun, da, dun, da. That's a work of art. It's actually stuck on there. Oh, look at that. It's stuck. It's magnetically held in place. And that's because what I noticed here, the medallion, does this come all the way out? No, okay. The medallion, so this thing is actually magnetically stuck to the medallion when you get it in the box. And the lens protector, oh, the lens protector is on it already. So you can screw this off. The little lens protector gadget is already on it. So let's just leave it on there because I'll probably end up dropping this thing in the next 10 seconds. Which is pretty freaking cool. So let's put this down for safekeeping. Let's see what else is in here. The medallion. How do I get that thing out? I have no idea. Here we go. I think I got it. Here we go. I got it. There's the medallion. And it sticks there really, really well. Gotta like that. And is it adjustable length? Yes, it's an adjustable length medallion because it's not going to go over my head because I got a really big head. I do have a big head. I take the maximum size in hats. I don't know how to make this bigger or smaller. There we go. Okay, maximum size. Maximum size fits over my head just perfectly. And it sits right there. Now I'm a normal sized guy, 6 foot tall. Awesome. I like it. What else is in the box? Oh, of course, it gives you good instructions. There's an instruction page there. And we have a quick start guide, the Insta360 quick start manual in a whole bunch of different languages, I'm sure. Here's some of the stuff I'm looking for. There you go, there's all the rest of the stuff that you're looking for in there. So, of course, you have a charging cable and you have a little gadget that goes on your hat. I don't know how that works actually. How does that work? This goes, well, this is movable, obviously. Goes up and down in either direction, and you put the camera, whoosh, you put the camera in there. Oh, there, it's magnetic. Very cool. But how does this slip on your hat without breaking it? I bet you it tells me in here. It's strong enough plastic, but you know, I mean, I could break it easily. So I have to be careful, and I have to read the instructions on how to do it. Then we got this. Is an amazing thing. This is not only the charger, but it's also the case, and it's also a remote control, and it's also a stand. First off, you have the stand. You can stand these things up like a tripod. Ah, there it is. Open it up. Press to connect. Oh, it does it automatically. I pushed the button. It said press to connect on the screen here, and then this lit up right away, and it's connected. Wow, that's pretty awesome. Didn't have to do anything. Set language to English, yeah. It's in video mode, and that's it. It's set up. That's ridiculously easy. Well, that's pretty cool. I set this thing up like in 30 seconds. It's got a whole bunch of information there on the screen. I don't know if you can see, but it's got some information there that you scroll through, and I don't know how to use it, so I'm going to have to read the manual. And then, of course, this thing goes right in there. Bam. Look what you got. And then, bam, on the back it's got charging ports and stuff like this for you to charge it with. And it's got a screw there so you can stick it on a tripod, selfie stick, you know, as you can see. Awesome. This thing rocks. And let me see how much charge is in it. It's got about 50% battery right now, right out of the box. One more thing is in here. This is, what is this? Oh yeah. You can stick this onto anything. You can put the camera in there, and then it's stuck in there. you take off the plastic, the sticky thing, stick it onto whatever you like. Comes with the cover, so when you put the cover on, you can also have a lanyard with it. Pretty awesome. Now, I haven't used this camera yet, obviously, because I've just taken it out of the box. And the box is empty. That's all that's in there. So you have the thing for your hat. You have this little gadget over here where you can stick things to. You have the charger and the little stand and the little case. You have the cords, of course, for charging, and you have the medallion. And that's all you got in the box. That's all you need. It's absolutely perfect. Haven't used it yet. Look forward to using it. Stay tuned for more videos. Like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one after I make a few videos with this thing. It's going to be awesome.